Will installing reinforcement hardware void the warranty on your existing door or lock systems? Most manufacturers allow cosmetic or non-structural add-ons but may restrict modifications that change the door or lock function. So start by reading your warranty document line by line to see what is specifically excluded. If the language is ambiguous, call the manufacturer or the lock dealer and ask a written clarification about reinforcement plates, strike box replacements, or reinforced jambs, so you have a record if a dispute arises. Choose reinforcement products that are mechanically compatible with the original system and, when possible, are marketed as compatible with your door or lock brand. Compatibility reduces the chance a vendor will deny a claim. When installing, follow the reinforcement product instructions exactly and use the recommended fasteners in the recommended locations, because improper screw length or placement is the most common installer error that creates a functional change. Manufacturer could cite: take time-lapse photos and a short video before, during, and after installation that show the original condition, the serial number or model plate on the lock or door, and the final work. That documentation supports a warranty claim and also helps if you later sell the house. If you are unsure about whether the work will be considered a modification that voids warranty, get a professional installer to sign a short written statement about the scope of work and how it interacts with the original hardware. 3 frequent concerns come up when homeowners think about reinforcement hardware and warranties. Homeowners often worry that drilling new screw holes will be seen as a modification that voids warranty. Mitigate this by documenting original condition and asking the manufacturer in writing whether the proposed hole pattern is acceptable. Another common issue is using screws that are too long or too short, which can either damage internal lock components or fail to engage reinforcing studs. Solve this by measuring jamb depth, matching screw length to manufacturer recommendations, and testing lock function before final tightening. People also assume aftermarket hardware will always be rejected. Avoid that by selecting add-on products that list compatibility with your lock, or contacting the lock maker for a recommendation and keeping receipts and installation instructions to demonstrate that the reinforcement was an accessory and not a destructive alteration. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like door reinforcement and warranty questions. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where people share experiences, ask specific warranty questions, and compare products.